The vowel in horse, or. Pronunciation Activation Pack 8. Horse. In this pronunciation activation pack, we'll be looking at the 8th of the pure vowels, or. We'll look at the letter combinations that give the or sound. We'll look at lots of words which have the or sound in them. Finally, we'll activate your ability to hear and produce the or sound correctly. Letter combinations for or. The long vowel sound or can be found in the following letter combinations: AR, OR, ORE, OUR, OAR, OOR, AU, AUGH, A, AL, AWE, OUGH, OU, OA, WOR. Practice. My daughter bought an awesome horse for £40. Practice. According to reports, astronauts yawn when they get warm. Practice. Tortoises born abroad have normal claws and walk cautiously on gorgeous lawns. Practice. A quart shortly before 4 is thought to cause snoring, I was taught. Problems for students. There are 3 other vowel sounds that cause confusion with the or sound. These are the short pure vowel o and the gliding vowels o and ow. I'll focus on these minimal pairs in this pronunciation activation pack. For more information about minimal pairs, look again at pronunciation activation packs 1, 2 and 3. Pronunciation Activator. As I said, there are 3 sets of minimal pairs in English which cause confusion with the or sound. I've created some interesting exercises in the Pronunciation Activator to help you better hear and produce the different vowel sounds. Each time you do the Pronunciation Activator, you'll be given some random exercises from a large database of exercises. The exercises will fully activate your use of the or sound for both speaking and listening. Potter. Yes, that's right. Coll. Yes, that's right. Board. Yes, that's right. Older. No, I'm afraid that's wrong. Order. Yes, that's right. Dictionary. There's a good chance that some of the words used in this pronunciation activation pack will be new to you. To help you out, I've compiled an extensive dictionary of vocabulary used. The dictionary gives you the meaning of all the words used in this pronunciation activation pack. You can download the dictionary as a PDF document from the resources link at the top left of the pronunciation activation pack. Phonetic transcription. I've also compiled a phonetic transcript of all the words and minimal pairs I included in the pronunciation activator. You can read each word and each minimal pair in Latin script alongside the British English IPA transcription. With your growing understanding of the British English IPA chart, this will help you to see how different letter combinations can produce different sounds. You can download the phonetic transcriptions as a PDF document from the resources link at the top left of the pronunciation activation pack. Use it in combination with the dictionary if you're uncertain of the meaning of any of the words included in the list. Phonetics Activator. The many exercises in the pronunciation activator are also available for you in phonetic script in the Phonetics Activator. The Phonetics Activator will help you to develop your ability to read and understand the British English IPA chart. By doing these exercises, you'll activate your phonetic skills in an easy and engaging way and will pave the way towards a better British English accent. Welcome to the Phonetics Activator. Random exercises designed to activate your understanding of phonetics as well as your pronunciation and listening skills. For a new quiz, refresh your browser. Click the Start Quiz button to begin. Shone. Yes, that's right. Bawdy. Yes, that's right. Foul. Yes, that's right. Row. Yes, that's right. Pronunciation Activation Packs. The Pronunciation Activation Packs are designed to help you develop a proper British English accent. After many years spent helping students worldwide to improve their pronunciation, I wanted to reach as many students as possible using the latest technology. This comprehensive pronunciation course explains every aspect of British English pronunciation in an entertaining and efficient way. You can pay what you want for each pack, from as little as €1, so it's very affordable and fantastic value for money. Or you can save even more with a membership subscription. Membership savings. Britlish now offers 3 memberships from just €8 a month. Monthly, biannual, annual. Each gives you unlimited access to every pronunciation activation pack and English activation pack at Britlish.com. You also get access to all the new packs I produce every week during your subscription period. Learn more at Britlish.com. Online English classes. If you really want to improve your English faster than you ever thought possible, online English classes are for you. I've taught many thousands of online English classes since 2006. My students find that online English classes are the most convenient way to learn English. Wherever you have an internet connection, you can have your English classes. At home, in the office, or even in the park. Wherever you are, I'll come to you. Book an introductory class at Britlish.com today and see how online English classes can help you get the level of English you've always dreamed of.